Is your garbage disposal not working? Give me 1 minute and I'll show you how to fix that yourself. All right, so right here we have an InSinkerator garbage disposal with an air switch. When you press the button, nothing happens. So we're gonna jump right underneath there and press this red reset button. Okay. Now I heard the click, so I know that that got tripped. We're gonna press this button again. And I hear the humming noise. When you hear the humming noise, that means that the unit itself is jammed, okay? And then what happens is the button trips so the power goes off, and then you have to reset it again. So I'm gonna show you how to unjam the garbage disposal quickly by yourself. Okay, so right here I have this Allen key that came with the garbage disposal. If you can't find yours, or if you don't have one, you can use a 1/4" Allen key. What you do is, right on the bottom, in the center, you're gonna put the Allen key or this tool right here in the center, and you can start going back and forth to unjam it. So start in either direction that you feel like you can go. You might not be able to go full circles at first, so just go back and forth slightly until you feel like you loosened it up a bit. Okay, and then start running full circles. Still feels pretty rough, like there's something in there, but whatever it is, I feel like it got loosened up. Now I'm gonna actually unplug the garbage disposal and check inside to make sure that I don't hurt myself. Okay, so from the top you can grab this piece of rubber, pull it out of the way, and take a look inside. I see a lot of garbage, so it's gonna be really hard to see what specifically is causing it to clog. All right, I got no choice but to stick my hand in there. Again, make sure you have the power disconnected. Okay, and then go ahead and put your hand inside. See if you can find anything like seeds or anything like that that might be causing it. So here I have a pit. Okay, that might be part of the problem. So I'm gonna plug this back in. This was where my garbage disposal was connected to, and I have an air switch all the way over there in the left corner. All right, don't forget, hit the reset button again. All right, so let's walk through the steps one more time. Press the red button. If it starts but it sounds like it's jammed and it's kind of just making a humming noise, then use the Allen key to put it in the center and then turn full circles to loosen up the blockage. Sometimes it might be helpful to go back and forth several times to loosen it up at first, and then once you get it going, you're able to go full circles and open it. Hope that helped. If you need our help, give us a call.